Congratulations on purchasing a Dreambaby Retractable Gate, also available in a variety of colors. Now let's take a look at how to install it. When you open your retractable gate, included in the package are fittings, 2 sets of brackets, hooks, and screws. There are a variety of templates that will suit different situations. To install, you will also need to have a pencil, screwdriver, tape measure, and a drill. Be sure you read and follow the included instructions carefully when installing. The gate can be installed in a hallway, stairway, or doorway using this guide. Determine which side you want the handle on. Remember, a big benefit is the gate can be installed on the inside or outside of the door frame. Make sure the brackets line up vertically. Measure an equal distance between them to make sure it's a proper fit. Place installation template marked 1 on the side you will install the locking bracket and gate mechanism. With the pencil, mark the holes on the upper and lower part of the template, ensuring that it is vertical at all times. Choose the appropriate template for your particular situation. Line it up and mark the position. Mark the upper and lower holes with a pencil, ensuring the template is vertical at all times. Next, using the pencil marks, install the mounting bracket first with screws and then the hooks. Ensure that the locking bracket and hooks are directly opposite each other. There are 3 grooves on the casing. Attach the gate by aligning the groove on the casing with the arrow on the locking bracket, and then snap into place until a clicking sound is heard. Fit the locking brace above the upper locking bracket. Now this ensures the locking mechanism remains hidden from children. The installation is now complete. Opening and closing the gate is a single-handed operation. Simply press and turn the knob. Unhook the handle and retract the gate. The loud sound is a warning to alert you the gate is being opened. But if you want it to close silently, you'll need to use 2 hands. Press and turn the knob while you retract the gate with the opposite hand. It also comes with a second set of mounting brackets, making it easy to use in more than one location. Just remove the top, press the tab, and lift. It's that easy. Also available in a variety of colors.